Hello crafties! Today I'm gonna show you how to make these cute, chunky scrunchies. You'll need bulky, chunky yarn. I'll be using wool yarn from Daiso in color creamy soda, a 6mm crochet hook, a darning needle, some stitch markers, hair elastics, and scissors. To begin, create a slip knot and insert your hook into the loop and elastic. Chain 2. We are going to double crochet all the way until we reach the end. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook to the elastic, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook to the elastic, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, insert your hook to the elastic, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And don't forget to put a stitch marker to the first double crochet. You can make as many double crochet as you want, but the one thing to watch out for is you don't want to make so many stitches that stretches the hair elastic. So for this yarn, I'll be doing 35 double crochet. So that's 15 double crochet, and I'm gonna scooch all these around. I'm pulling the hair elastic and scrunching up my stitches so I can carry on and create more room for remaining 20 stitches. Alright, so that is my 35th double crochet. I'm so happy with that amount of stitches, and I haven't overstretched the hair elastic. To finish off, slip stitch to the first double crochet and cut your yarn. Chain 2 and pull up your yarn. Make sure that you pull that tight. Grab your darning needle, weave in these ends, and weave it in different directions. After weaving, give it a little stretch to see if the end of the yarn will pop out. Go ahead and do the same method with your initial tail. And lastly, before your scrunchie is ready to go, give it a little stretch, just to double check that the ends haven't popped out anywhere. And you're good to go! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it would be amazing if you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out any of my future crochet tutorials. Bye!